Hey friends, so as you can see, this person right here has made it anywhere around $2,000 up to $7,000 within 80 days, as you can see here, just by working. Only by working, you get paid this amount of money, $2,000 up to $7,000. So after knowing this method of making money, I was very interested and I decided to try and see how much I'm gonna make just after working and getting paid. So I'm gonna show you this script that I tried to work in my city, and I'm gonna tell you how are we going to make money using the same method that this person uses, and it makes a reasonable amount of money just by working. So you just have to watch this video a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how are we really going to make this money together. So just watch this video. Alright, so the really good thing about this money making method is that you just need to have your mobile phone and you can start making money. And you can do this in every country that you're coming from. It doesn't matter if you are in Africa, if you're in USA, you can start making money using this method. So this is our very first step. We need to have Gmail account. So right now, let's go ahead and create our Gmail account, which usually takes a very short time. But if you have, if you know how to create a Gmail account, you can just skip and see the next part. But in this video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how I'm going to create this Gmail account. And you just have to write here, create Gmail new account, and you have to click down here. Then you have to write your name. And as you can see here, I'm going to write my name here, Hans. My last name is Walking, so it's Hans Walking, because this email is very special for earning money just by walking. So that's the reason I just decided to write Hans Walking. And right after creating this email, you just have to remember this password. It's very important for you to not forget this password. Then after that, you need to go outside. You just have to take your phone, then go outside. Then after getting outside, you just have to record the environment that you're coming from. You just have to record anything that you see in front of you while you are walking. It can be you are just walking by foot, or you are on car, or anything. You just have to walk and record the environment that you see in front of you. And I really recommend it. Really has to be long walk, at least 30 minutes long up to 50 minutes long. You just have to remember that you record everything that you see in front of you in your city or in your street, anywhere that you're coming from. You just have to make sure that you record. So after recording this, you need to save this video that you just recorded, then go back to your home. After getting back to home, I'm going to show you this next step that is going to make you money. This is what you have to do right now. Right now, you have to go to this website, www.youtube.com. Then you need to click here, sign in, and you need to write the same email that you just created. And on this platform, YouTube, they're going to ask you about your mobile phone. So you have to write here your mobile number, then you need to sign in. So this page will show up. You need to go ahead and click your profile picture, as you can see here. Then you need to click this place which is written as create a channel. You can choose any image that you want to put on your channel, but also you can create the name of the channel. And as for me, I'm gonna just go ahead and write this name, Hans Walking. This is gonna be my name of this channel. And after that, our channel is already here, and this is our new YouTube channel that we're going to be posting different videos about working, and we're going to make really good money. And I'm going to show you how I'm really sure like you're really going to make money just by doing this. As I showed you before, this person is making up to $2,000 up to $7,000 just by posting different places of the world. You can be from Africa. There are a lot of people out there, they need to see the environment from Africa, so they go on YouTube and search different videos like this. So once they find your videos and start watching your videos, you're going to be in a position to start making money, because you get a lot of views of people who needs to see the environment of your city or any place that you're coming from. So I really encourage that you need to record as many videos as you can. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. It can be in town, it can be in a village, it can be in a bush. People, they just to refresh their minds by watching video like this. And as you can see, this account is getting too many views. There are a lot of people that need to see video like this. There are a lot of people that need to see people walking and recording video. So video like this, so you get insane amount of views. So if you're gonna have to create a YouTube channel and start posting video like this, you don't have to speak, you just have to record the environment in front of you, and you're gonna make a reasonable amount of money. And I'm gonna show you how are you going to upload your first video. You just have to click this place which is written as create, then you need to click this arrow, then you need to upload that video that you recorded while you were working. And as you can see here, you just have to write a good title. I'm gonna take this as example. Let's say that you're from New York. You can just write New York walking tour. Let's say that you're from you're from Algeria. You can just write Algeria walking tour. It can be any country or any village that you're coming from. You can just write, and you can see there are a lot of people who are coming there and start watching the videos. So for me, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna write Tanzania walking tour 2025 because I'm from Tanzania. So after watching this video, I'm pretty sure that it's really gonna help you that you don't have to speak, you don't have to talk for you to start making money on YouTube. There are videos like this, they get a reasonable amount of views because people, they want to see and they want to watch different culture. They want to see different areas and how people are living in a given area. So by you recording this type of videos, you are helping these people that they want to explore to different places, to different locations all around the world. So our video is already uploaded, and you just have to click here publish. Then our video has been already published on this channel. So I think I'm going to be posting too many videos on this channel, and I will come with updates like how much I've made so far. In order for you to start making money on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. After that, you can be in a position to start getting paid on YouTube. So I encourage for you to go ahead and start doing this method and start making money. There are a lot of people who are making insane amount of money just doing this. You just have to be consistent. You just have to post a video like this frequently, like every single week, at least post 3 up to 2 videos every single week. You just keep posting and posting, and you can see good results on your channel. So you just have to export to different locations into your country. You don't have to speak, you just have to record your environment, and you just have to make sure that you record. You don't have to shake every time that you record these videos and all that, so people can watch this video in a very peaceful way. So thanks so much, and I really hope that you are going to try this method, because I've seen people are making insane amount of money, and you are also going to make such amount of money if you're going to be consistent doing this method that I've just explained in this video. So thanks so much, and I really hope that this video is going to help you. See you next time. My name is Hans David, and I would really appreciate if you're going to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. Thanks so much, and have a good day.